Good morning, children. Namaste, parents. Welcome to our science class today. This is a mango plant or a tree, and this is a hen. Okay, now think about it. What do we get from a mango plant, and what do we get from a hen? Can you think of it? Right. We get food. We get food. Not just food, but plants and animals other than mango and hen help us with lot of things. We can think about lot of things that we use that are made from plants and animals, or rather we get from plants and animals. ऐसी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स से लेते हैं जिनका हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So today we are going to learn to illustrate, means to draw the uses of plants and animals by making a mind map. Let's see how to make a mind map and also draw or illustrate the uses of plants. Let's see how to draw a mind map. So this is a mind map. In the mind map, we write thing about which, or write the name of a thing about which we have to write. जैसे इस लेसन में हमको uses of plants और animals लिखने हैं. So you make arrows and write the uses of plants over here, just like how Didi is writing. So what do we use plants for? We use plants for food, and let's draw. We get fruits like apple and banana from plants. We also get vegetables like a pumpkin and we get ladyfingers. We get them from plants. We get eggs and we also eat fish that we get from animals. So this is how we get food from animals. Just like food, we have other things that we get from animals and plants, which are clothes. We get our clothes from materials like cotton यानी कपास या कापूस, silk or wool. We get wool and silk from animals, and we make clothes from it, right? We also get cotton and jute from plants. इससे हम कपड़े बना सकते हैं. So we get our clothes from plants and animals. This way there are other things like wood, which we use for making our houses. So this is a mind map where I have written uses of plants and animals, and I have illustrated, that is, we did the drawing of all the uses of plants and animals. Here we have written few uses. you need to write some more uses of plants and animals and draw them just like Didi has done it. You can also be creative and stick the pictures of the things that we get from plants and animals in this mind map form. For example, this is a picture of bitter gourd यानी करेला. ये एक खाने की चीज़ है and we get this from plants. So I have written it in food and I have stick this picture over here. The medicines that we have, some medicines we also get from plants. So here, the medicines that we eat, we get them from plants and also some of the medicines from animals. So this way, you can make a mind map of uses of plants and animals either by drawing, that is illustrating, or you can stick the pictures and write the uses. Once again, let's summarize. Uses of plants and animals. We get food, clothes, wood, medicines, and many more things from plants and animals.